We'll be coming to you live this evening. For it's gone from 64 to that now. Now ball in the box, looking for a turn. Striker. He delivers. It's the flavor that Magesi had needed in front of goal, and he's never disappointed this season. He does it again for the 7th time.
That is an amazing piece of work of ball. He picks the ball. You'll see now, he's facing the opposite direction and he's struggling to turn, but on the turn, and he gets it with the laces. That for me is pure class. Maybe defensively they could have done better to try and make the block, but you got to give it to him. He didn't wait to have a full view of goal for him to strike it. That is top.
It is the 4th corner of the encounter for Kaizer Chiefs. 36 minutes gone. To the back post it goes. Magesi comes out. Can't get it. Schwarzer. It's the 2nd of the encounter, and this time from Magesi, he gets his 3rd of the season. Keeper came out and just could not get it right. And Magesi said, "Thank you very much. No second invitation needed."
Now the question is, did Magesi dropped it or he was pushed on player? Now he comes out here, obstructed by his own player. That's the difference. Yes, I couldn't imagine Magesi being able to miss the ball. He's come out in that fashion so many times, but unfortunately his own defender here stood on his way, couldn't get to the ball. But now, this is the finesse I'm talking about. Chiefs could be scoring way more than it's a bit time. I mean, it takes 2 touch. First, 2nd touch should have been a shot. And in the meantime, the defenders are closing down. He still gets the shots through, and obviously Magesi makes a save.
Well, that was his last touch. There's Manyani along with Ndlovu. They will make way. Tabukele will be the... Now, Duba. What can he do? Feet it through. Good opportunity. Schwarzer. It's all he ever needed. Shabalala gets his 5th of the season, 3rd of the night for Kaizer Chiefs.
Transition, a bit of transition play is what created that moment. And once again, momentum. It's a great pass by Duba to find Frozler, who obviously had presence of mind to cut back. And with Shabalala, with a bit of time, steps the ball to goal. It's a good goal. No chance for Magesi once again. Defenders stretched to pieces.
Magesi called by the coaches. That sends excitement to the stands, of course. There's Magesi. Duba.
Vandala looking for options in the box.
Well, there's no aerial threat from Sebanyo. He's been substituted, but they pick it up. Shaka! They get a response, and it's Mufukeng that gets his 1st of the season. It's now 3-1.
Well, they'll be very disappointed with themselves. Everybody there. He gets a decent header. In fact, the defender on the far side, Mayo, is ball watching there. That's a great goal. The advantage when you're coming
to come on, he'll come on as a sub for the 11th time this season. There's Lilepo sparking Chiefs to life. On the outside of the boot, Mayo! No, outside of the boot from Shabalala. Mayo couldn't really direct it goalwards.
He's a player with a very low confidence at the moment. He's still trying to build himself up. Under normal circumstances,
like him that far for his men from Ekebeka. Vilarazi. Cuts on the inside. Vilarazi. Space opening up. Vilarazi! Oh, the confidence of the young man. He knew exactly what he was doing when he was cutting on the inside. Space opened up for him.
That's what he was looking for. With every chance that he took, he was a defender. He was minusing a defender in front of him. And unfortunately can't do the final deal, keeping it on target.
So for Kaizer Chiefs, as Shabalala comes offside, it obviously pushed them on. They are happy with what they see. This will be a 5th successive victory for Kaizer. Flosser gets one into the box. And Flosser! Mara finds the back of the net. Finally it comes. Breaks the deadlock that he had from September till now. Makes it 4 for Kaizer Chiefs. Restores the 3-goal lead as Kanyisa Mayo. His name is Kanyisa Lighter. Does that to the back of the net.
That's just how much they feel for him. They could understand that he was under immense pressure. He came with a lot of reputation, but things hasn't quite fallen for him. And he needed this kind of a break. And I'm just trying to imagine what this can do for him. But look at the delicious delivery by Frosler. And he attacks the ball beautifully, gets the better of the defender. I spoke about running in. You have better leverage to outjump the defender or anybody in front of you for that matter. Matimba just quite doesn't jump high enough, but very important for Mayo.
Dipope Saldans. And I tell you what, it's Amakosi who was singing the tune for Dipope. And all those that I understand dancing with joy. Well, things not going well. He's 7th. He's Arpefeni Glamour boys and exclamation in the glamour. It's the fine performance they've put in the pitch. It's the goals they've managed to find. It's the form they continue to show. Looking to switch hands. Vilarazi, first touch too heavy, but continues. Vilarazi, cut back. Well, Chipazaza reading the situation very well.
That's all there is. He read it well. That was the only space available for the
put to the test by Vilarazi. Easy away by Mayo. Falls for Vilarazi. Tries to get it forward as quick as they can. Can they make it 5? Referee's at a time has come and gone. We are at the mercy of Masiko Lembambiso. Done does that. It's Kaizer Chiefs that walk away with the maximum points in Polokwane.
Listen, I'm going to maybe view this slightly different. It's 4 goals and it's fantastic for Kaizer Chiefs, but I don't think Kaizer Chiefs played as well as they've been playing. And so this scoreline can be very deceiving. I just hope the coaches will be mindful of that fact and continue to work on the things that didn't come through today. I feel like ball possession wasn't of the best, connection of passes, and but the biggest thing, of course, is the scoring goals. And I guess maybe you can throw that those other problems away and celebrate the goal scored. But